This new St. George City Fire Station, located at 2225 East Commerce Drive by the Armory, will soon be fully staffed and ready for fire calls. Located in the Little Valley area, Fire Station number 9 has been needed for quite some time due to the increased growth in the area. It's one of a couple planned for the city of St. George.
The biggest is insurance reasons, just response times. Our closest station for that area right now is the Station 1 and Station 6, and you're still far out, so response time to get there quicker will be good having that Station 9 down there. The insurance rating, that comes into big effect with fire service, the stations.
And also coming fiscal year 2023 will be Fire Station 10, which will be built in Desert Canyons off Exit 6 of the Southern Parkway.
Which will help their insurance rating out also, and coverage down way in the south block of St. George.
The city is also looking at purchasing the land at this LDS church site off 100 South and Flood Street, which would become the replacement for the aging Fire Station number 1, which was built back in the 1980s.
There's been talk about that. It's not confirmed yet. I believe the city is still working on purchasing the land for through the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, but nothing's set in stone yet. Everything's kind of leaning that way. That'll be our headquarters station. This station was built back in the 80s, which served its purpose, but we're outgrowing it right now, and with the Utah Tech University expanding, it's getting harder and harder for our apparatus to get out on 1000 East, so it's just congestion with the area. So it's a much needed space for our fire personnel.
The current station headquarters on 1000 East for St. George Fire Department may end up in the hands of Utah Tech University if all works as planned.
I believe the cities are doing a trade with some other property, so they're going to do where the city's going to get some land that's in the middle of town, and the universities pick up this. It's pretty much a swap, so it benefits both the city and Utah Tech University.
An open house is scheduled for July 22nd, inviting the public to ring in the new station. New fire trucks and personnel are already being deployed to the new location. In St. George, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.